Sorry, okay.
So, we have a comparative report here, no? January 2025 versus January 2026. Alam naman po ng lahat na medyo marami talaga yung sunog natin, no? Starting January 2. So, we have an increase of 20% ng fire incidents natin for the month of January alone. So, from 2025 January, tumaas po tayo ng 78 fire incidents for January 2026 alone po. And as to the damages po, mas mataas din, no? From 12 million 2025 January, we have a total of 108 million na po for January alone sa ating damages for the fire. Yes, sir. Pansin nyo naman po yung mga recent fire incidents natin, no? Malalaking establishment din po yung mga involved. So, dahil din. Sir? Yes, sir. Yes po.
78 million tayo, ma'am. Last year,
78 fire incidents. No, ma'am. For this year, 78 fire incidents for January, and then last year, 75 po. There's a 20%. Yes, January pa lang po yun. January po. Wala pa pong February doon, ma'am.